Hi, I've just received my TiVo Premier Elite DVR. Been waiting for this for a while. Right now I have satellite, but just wasn't happy with the DVR. So back to TiVo. Bought a TiVo about 10-11 years ago, Series 1, used it up till 2 years ago. So we're back to it. Start here. Instructions. Installing cable card, which is what I'm going to be doing. Legal terms, that's always exciting reading. And the viewer's guide, so the instructions how to set up. Usually it's pretty easy. This is interesting. THX Optimizer glasses. See TV and movies the way the director intended. This is not 3D glasses. These glasses will help you optimize your TV for the best HD viewing experience through your TiVo DVR. And they look like 3D glasses to me, but I guess there's something different. I'll try that out later. Okay, here's the remote that's included with the TiVo Premier Elite. This is the glow model, so basically there's a glowing light behind the buttons. I've had lots of TiVo remotes. In fact, just for comparison, let's do a little thing here. This is my original TiVo remote. Kind of basic, but very similar. And then the updated one from that, a little bit larger, but it's almost identical to the one I just received. Now, I prefer to have wireless remotes, so you don't have to have a line of sight, so I bought the slide remote from TiVo. This is Bluetooth, which means it's wireless. And you do not have to point it at the TiVo. You can be anywhere in your house. I have 18 TVs, so wireless is better to control all the TVs. Has a USB receiver here, plugs in the back of the TiVo, and some batteries. It's kind of cool. I haven't seen this before, but all the keypad there for the letters, the numbers, select, arrows. And it kind of has a little spring load to it, kind of a nice feel to it. The rest of the buttons look very similar. So you see it is much smaller. In fact, it's smaller than the original TiVo remote. But I digress. So let's keep unpacking here. And here's the cables for the TiVo. Let's see, looks like Ethernet cable here. HDMI, RCA component, and the power cord. Set of batteries, and let's get out of the box. Okay, let's get the styrofoam off. Okay. Well, the front of the box looks typical TiVo, very plain and simple. Most of the magic happens with the software, of course. Hopefully this software has been an improvement over some of the other editions, because I've heard some of the complaints about some of the software. Hopefully it's gotten better. The back of it is a few hookups, power, fan, cable card, which I will be using, external storage, SATA. I do have a 1 terabyte storage device that I use with my my satellite box, but it's just getting slower and slower, so I eventually unplugged it, so I'll try it on this. Composite component for RCA, digital audio, 1 HDMI. I did read somewhere where you can have multiple HDMIs if we have correct splitters. 1 Ethernet and 2 USBs and a cable connector for RF connections. So that's pretty simple. So I'll get my cable card in a couple days and I'll hook it up.